I would be the first, inshallah, God willing, to be the first president coming from the left. Ako ho ay bayan, and I have been with bayan for the many years that I have been mayor. I am not a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines. Masyadong we follow the path of socialism. But itong extremism is not good for me. Ang pagka-socialist ko maybe left of center, andito na yan sa kilikili. Huwag kayong matakot, hindi ako. But my dimensions in life, parang gano'n na nga kasi anak lang din ako ng mahirap. Migrants lang mo kami sa Mindanao, sa Davao. Though my mother is a Mindanaoan, we trace our lineage, pedigree from our fathers. So, kung tanungin ninyo ako, I am a Cebuano, Danao City, similar to Davao, Danao. Cebuano po ako at kagaya ninyo, ordinaryo lang rin. I'm just an ordinary guy and maybe I'd like to talk more of myself, but that would be dito na lang ako sa what are really the urgent and depressing issues of the day.